I'm Miss Hannah.
And today we've got some really fun activities planned for you guys. But first of all, Miss Michaela, she's going to read a very special story called Who Sank the Boat? And while she does that, myself and Miss Hannah are going to get your next activities planned.
Who Sank the Boat by Pamela Allen. Beside the sea on Mr. Pepper's place, there lived a cow,
Moo.
a donkey,
Oh.
a sheep,
Bah!
a pig, and a tiny little mouse. They were good friends, and one warm sunny morning, for no particular reason, they decided to go for a row in the bay. Do you know who sank the boat? Was it the cow who almost fell in when she tilted the boat and made such a din? Oh dear. No, it wasn't the cow who almost fell in. Do you know who sank the boat? Was it the donkey who balanced her weight, who yelled, "I'll get in at the bow before it's too late"? No, it wasn't the donkey who balanced her weight. Do you know who sank the boat? Ooh, I wonder who it's going to be. Was it the pig as fat as butter who stepped in at the side and caused a great flutter? Oh, he looks like he's going to slip right in. No, it wasn't the pig as fat as butter. Do you know who sank the boat? Was it the sheep who knew where to sit to level the boat so that she could knit? Oh look, she's knitting with some pink wool. No, it wasn't the sheep who knew where to sit. Do you know who sank the boat? Oh, I wonder who's left. Oh, was it the little mouse, the last to get in, who was the lightest of all? Could it be him? You do know who sank the boat! Oh dear, they all fell in! Oh, look, they're all wet, walking all the way back up the beach.
Wow, what a fantastic story. Thank you so much, Miss Michaela, for reading that with us.
Thank you, and thank you to everyone for listening to my story.
Did we all enjoy it? Yes,
I did.
I definitely did
I
as well. Okay, so now for our next activity, we just need some paper.
Got some paper.
We can use any size paper, whether it be A4, but today we're going to be using some A3 paper with us.
What are we making today, Miss Hannah?
Well, I thought it would be a really great idea if we made some boats.
Miss Michaela and myself already made some boats today. I made a big boat.
And I made a little one.
I love them so much. How about we make some boats together?
I love that idea. And whilst we get the paper ready, so if you've got someone around you that can go and get a piece of paper, we'll get them to get the piece of paper. And while they do that, we're going to sing a special song.
Ooh, I think I might know a song about a boat.
Ooh.
Does anybody else know any songs about boats?
That's right. It is Row Row Your Boat. All right. Should we get our hands ready to do Row 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 Your Boat? All right.
Sure thing.
Sit up straight and get your arms like this. And we're going to be doing an action like this. Hannah and Miss Michaela, can you show me your actions like this?
Yep, like this.
Just like, but you got to pull
Oh,
your arms back
sorry.
because you're
Got it now.
rowing. Got it. So just practice your rowing. Great. All right. We're going to do that one. Okay. Okay, ready? Yep. Arms up. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Well done, guys. I loved that. Now, what I thought we could do is we could do it with a friend.
Ooh.
So, Miss Hannah and myself, we're going to turn to the side and we're going to do Row, Row, Row Your Boat together, holding hands. Thank you, Miss Hannah. All right, get your friend and hold their hands. Are you ready? Ready? Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to scream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the shore. If you see a lion, don't forget to roar. Roar!
Oh, that was a new one.
Did you not know that one?
No, I haven't.
Oh,
heard
yes,
that
that's a
one before.
fun one.
I like it. What a great song. And I'm so happy that I learned a new verse as well. So now it's time to make our boats.
Ooh, goody.
Do we all have our paper? We've got ours here. Do you all have yours, everyone watching? Oh, good. Okay, so now Miss Michaela is going to show us how we make the boat while Miss Amy and I fold along.
Okay, so when we get our piece of paper, we're going to put it down this way. So the short side is facing the top.
Good. Yep.
And then we're going to fold it in half.
Put it in place, and Miss Amy
I'm
can
going to
fold
flatten it.
Yes.
Great.
Okay, so once our paper is folded in half, we're going to use the folded edge and fold them down into a point.
Okay.
Perfect. Thank you. Great. Awesome.
So once we've folded it, it should look like this with our two little flaps.
Yep.
Good job, Miss Hannah and Miss Michaela.
And then our next step is we're going to take one side of the unfolded bottom and fold it up.
Okay.
I will do the
Place.
flattening. Thank you. Good job.
And then flip it over and fold the other side to match.
Oh, cool.
And when we do this, it's going to make a hat.
A hat? Are we making a hat?
No.
Oh,
Miss Hannah, we're making a boat.
oh that's right. Sorry.
Now after we do this, we're going to hold it like a hat and pull the sides and fold them down.
Oh, would you like to fold them down?
Thank you. This can sometimes be tricky, can't it? That's why
is
you
very
need to have an
tricky.
adult sometimes help you. How are you guys going over there? Good work. Okay, there you go, Miss Hannah.
And then we're going to follow a similar step from before. So once it's in another square, we're going to fold the bottom edges where they separate up into the same
yep.
point.
Great.
I've never made one of these before.
No, and you're very good at teaching, Miss Michaela.
Thank you. And then follow it with the other side. So it's again just like a triangle with two flaps on each side.
Oh, yes.
Yes, that looks
Yep.
right. Good.
Now this is the really tricky part because we need to hold it and pull at the bottom.
Well, we can do this part together, Miss Hannah.
Yeah, you can put your hands
So put
in.
your fingers in the middle of the bottom of the triangle.
Like this.
Close. Oh, almost there.
I
Tip
think
the
we need
triangle
a little bit of help.
back,
Just like
up,
that.
Oops, just like this. So use your fingers inside the bottom
Oh, that
to
looks
pull and fold it into the boat shape.
Oh, Miss Michaela, ours looks a little bit different to yours. Do you think it will still float on the water?
I think it will still float. And remember, all of our boats are going to look a little bit different because everyone does it differently. And
We can try.
yeah.
We can put the water in and then we'll put it in the
Okay.
water and we'll just try.
Okay, let's give it a go.
Okay. For our last activity, we're going to do some sinking or floating. So we're going to try some different things. We're going to put it in the water and we're going to have a guess and see if it sinks or if it floats. Now, I think the first thing we might try, Miss Hannah, is the boat that we made.
Yes, I'm very interested to know whether it sinks or
Me
floats.
too.
I'm hoping that it floats.
Is that what we think? Do you guys
Yeah.
think that the boat's going to sink or float? What do you think?
I think it'll float.
All right. You pop the boat in, Miss
All
Hannah.
right, here we go.
All right. What's it going to do?
3, 2, 1.
You were right!
Wow.
It's a floating boat.
It's a
See, it doesn't
floating
matter
boat.
how you make your boat. It can still float in the water.
Yes, I'm
Great.
very happy.
All right, Miss Michaela, could you pass me that rock there?
Ooh,
Thank
let's
you.
see.
Do we think that the rock is going to sink or float? Miss Michaela, what do you think?
I think it might float.
Let's give it a go. What do you guys think at home?
Oh, plonk.
I was wrong.
That's okay. It's all right to be wrong sometimes, but it sunk to the bottom.
Why do we think it might have sunk to the bottom?
Ooh, what do you think?
If we have a look at the two different things that we used and we feel them in our hands, which one feels a little bit heavier?
The rock
The
feels
rock.
heavier.
Is that maybe why it sunk?
I think it might be.
Let's see if we
Let's
can
try
find
something
something
else.
else that's heavy.
All right, let's have a look. What have you got there, Miss Hannah?
Ooh, block.
What do you
It's
think?
not quite as heavy.
What do you think might happen with this little green block? Floating or sinking, Miss Hannah and Miss Michaela?
I think it might float again.
Okay,
I think so
let's
too.
try and see. You guys were right. It's floating.
Yeah, it is.
Excellent. All right, we might try one more.
All right.
I'm looking at what we've got here. That was great.
Yeah.
All right.
Let's feel how heavy it is.
Okay, what do you feel? What do we think? Do we think it's going to sink or float?
I think that one might sink. Maybe.
What do you think?
I think it might sink too.
All right, let's have a look.
Oh!
I think that surprised us all.
Yeah.
It's a floating wooden elephant.
It is.
Normally wood would sink, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
But this one is floating. How very interesting. That's all we have time for today, guys. So I hope you had so much fun doing the activities with us.
So much fun.
Did you have fun?
Yes, it was excellent.
I did.
Amazing. Well, thank you for tuning in to FKTV. We'd love for you to send in some pictures or videos of you making your very own boat. But we'll see you next time.